Hello everyone, this is AI Thinker. In this video, we will introduce to you the new functions of AiPi-Knob screen. In previous video we mentioned, AiPi-Knob is equipped with a speaker, a 1.28-inch circular screen, and a round knob. For specific content, please refer to our previous video. Based on this user's comments and suggestions, our programmer has implemented a new gameplay function. That is, you can use the circular knob to control the sliding of the editing software timeline. Next, let's demonstrate how to use this feature. First, connect the Bluetooth device. Powering the AiPi-Knob screen, the icon for connecting to Bluetooth will be displayed. Turn on computer Bluetooth. Bluetooth device connected to AiPi-Knob screen. After the connection is successful, we turn the knob. You can see PR on the screen. Cut out the icons of the two softwares. Let's first open a project of computer PR. Short press the knob to enter. Now turn the knob. Can control the timeline sliding of computer screen editing software. Open a project for clipping. Short press the knob to enter. Now turn the knob. Can control the timeline sliding of editing software. Okay, that's all for today's content. See you next time.